This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Equinox. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, Chevrolet MyLink, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, a split folding rear seat, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, a power rear lift tailgate, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Andy Mohr Chevrolet is the place to find new Chevrolet cars as well as pre-owned cars in Indianapolis. You can visit our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Visit Andy Mohr Chevrolet today at 2712 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohr-chevrolet.com.